Welcome to the Cougartron ProPlus unboxing video. Here we have the heavy duty but lightweight carry case to keep all of the items safe. This is the user manual and the warranty card for using the machine and also to gain your 2-year warranty. This here is the ProPlus power unit. It only weighs 7.5 kilos. It has a very robust seal case to protect the internal electronics and ensure optimal performance. As you can see, inside the case there's everything that you need to perform well cleaning. This that we've just placed down is the orange cable, which is the handle cable for cleaning. The other one is the ground clamp, which you must have to get the electrical connection. Then we have the wand and sliding shroud and the pack of 10 brushes, the microfiber cloth and the power cable for supplying the power from the mains to the machine. This here is the sprayer for the neutralizing fluid, and then this here is the CGT 350, which is our well cleaning fluid but is classified as non-dangerous for transport purposes. This here is the neutralizing fluid, which we always recommend you use after well cleaning to ensure there's no acid left on the surface and that the surface is clean. This here is the acid pot, which you can use for pouring the acid into the container. So to connect the orange cable, the handle cable, we plug it into the front of the machine, and this is a simple twist and turn, and the same goes with the ground cable. Once these are connected, we can put the wand into the handle, and then we take a brush, one of the brush tips, which is used for cleaning the weld, that goes into the wand. And then we twist the shroud over the brush, and the shroud keeps the brush straight and ensures optimal weld cleaning. Here we have the power cable that feeds into the back of the machine, and we have the power connection to the machine. The top panel is used for turning the machine on and for controlling the cleaning functions. This here is the ground clamp connected to the machine and the cleaning fluid that you use with the brush. Once the cleaning is completed, we have the neutralizing fluid and the cloth for removing any excess acid and leaving the surface clean. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.